tilapia and the barge. It's Thursday, 11 o'clock in the morning. What a glorious day. It's 4 peso to cross the river, and this little barge is coming in now. The bunker?
Yes.
Hello Ati, kumusta? Okay lang? Hey kuya. Oh! Okay lang? There you go. Little bit of music. Stand out the way as the people come up. When we get over here. The man with eggs. Go on in, Dean.
Go up the tree.
Oh. Oh.
Balut.
Balut.
You like it, balut?
16 day?
Oh, 16 day.
16 day?
Oh.
Oh. Baboy.
I don't like to eat very much.
Oh, there we go. This is it.
Here we are.
Yeah, wait there. I need to grab hold of there.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
yeah.
I will slip and fall. I'm an old man. There we go. Hey, kuya, ¿cómo está?
Okay lang.
Okay. Oh, oh, very good. Oh, there we go. Look at that Davao River. We're going to go and get some lunch. One, two. So friendly. Alan, Alan. Okay lang. Salamat kuy. No music, huh?
Where are you from?
Davao.
Davao.
Where are you from? Okay lang. There we go. There he is, Gary Valentino. I love travelling this barge in Davao. I absolutely love it. It's cool, it's fresh, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. Downtown down here, Buchanan and San Pedro. Over here, Banquerohan. Very nice. Goya, thank you. You live riverside? Well, there we go, that's the barge. We're on riverside. Hey Goya, ¿cómo está? Hey Joe! ¿Cómo está? Okay, kayo. Easy, kayo. Very nice. There is the river over there, and we are walking this way. Vlogger mum. Now you've definitely not been here.
No, but I've walked through places like this.
Good.
Not here.
Yeah.
Not here. I've always looked down here and thought of it.
Yeah. Well, this is the esplanade. It will be. Hello, Mom.
Hi.
Anyway, we're walking this way, and the bridge is up there. So walking down towards the Davao Bridge on the right hand side. That's good. Hey, Kuya, ¿cómo está?
Okay.
Okay lang?
Okay lang.
Init kayo, ha?
Init tayo.
There we go. The national hobby, basketball.
Okay.
Okay. Welcome to my blog. There we go. They have so much energy. Oh. Hello, Mom. Kumusta? Good afternoon. Oh, yeah. So Alan and Dina behind me. That's a nice little house, isn't it? Old school. So we're going up this stairs, and we just come through a small part of the redevelopment of downtown Davao. Or it's Carinderia. Hello, Mom. Kumusta? Okay. The first part is arch boulders. The next part is concrete steps, and the top part is the road. There we go. New condominiums and a market down at Matina. Matina's down here on the right hand side, and the road is going out towards the global village of Davao City. PLDT or Globe, or should you get Starlink? Well, I don't know. Hello, Mum. What's that? Look at that. People can afford internet. So they're bibbing to turn around and see if you want to stop them to turn around and get on the jeepney. Don't want the jeepney. This way, going into Bangkarohan and up towards Kimpio. But we're going this way. Yeah? This way, this way. 38 degrees today. Oh, look. There's a little walkway that goes into the barangay. Shortcut between two properties. Yeah, so should you turn around and get PLDT, or should you get Globe, or should you get Converge, or should you get Dito? I was talking to somebody yesterday and they've just got themselves Starlink. 2,800 peso a month, 18,000 peso up front, and they're getting 200 megabytes per second speed. Now that is about 10 times more than I'm getting for about roughly the same amount of money on PLDT. Hi, Kuya. There we go, available 0917 710 84 08. If you're interested, give it a call. Take care, guys. Una subdivision. Una subdivision. There we go. We are here.
Near to the Philippine Women's College.
Yeah, near the Philippine Women's College. Down here. And we are at Billie Jean's Bistro and Restaurant. We've just had some lunch. We've had some great carbonara. We had a great feta salad. We had a great Swedish meatballs. And this is what it looks like. Oh, there we go. Dean's in the toilet. Hello, ma'am. ¿Cómo está? This is Christine. Yeah, she's been here for 4 months. There's a man from Poland there. Whereabouts in Poland, Kuya?
Say mo, Isaya?
Ah, konti lang. Gamay, gamay. Oh, there we go. So, menu, very, very nice. Swedish meatballs, very nice. That feta salad, very nice. And we had, this man says it's the best restaurant in Davao City.
Isn't it?
It is. That's why I've eaten here 3 times. Salamat. Greek salad. Pasta carbonara. Ooh. And Swedish meatballs with red currant jam, dill pickles, and mashed potato. Oh, don't you love it? It's Billie Jean, and it's not Michael Jackson's Billie Jean. This one is in subdivision Una. You're welcome. So if you're here, you need to come to Billie Jean. Balik balik. Salamat kuya. Oh, there we go. So the man sits at the bar all day and he turns around and goes through letting people know how good it is. We had a great creme brulee, a great tiramisu and a great coffee.